Once all the equipment have been added to your drawing and also have been numbered, you can generate the quotation just running from project section of Specify ribbon. You can use quote sync. Clicking this button, the software analyzes all the equipment inserted into the drawing and it shows the list of the equipment you have been added to the drawing already. Okay, and as we didn't have created any quotation first, it say that every quotation will be automatically filled with the equipment retrieved from the drawing. So you just have to press OK button, and it moves all the information. So it retrieves all the information from the equipment and moves those information to the quotation, to the offer. We can click OK button now, just to synchronize and generate our quotation directly from the drawing. And into the quotation, all the equipment will be divided by area and with the right, the same item number that we assigned into the drawing. If you run again, the same command can be used also to maintain, synchronize the two environments, the drawing, I mean the CAD or the CAD environment and the quotation. And also you can use the button above, you can find here at the top, added, just to select from the list only the new added, the new product I added into my drawing, or if I modified some product, I can use edited. Otherwise, the product could be different by quantity, and in this case, I can select only the product which are different by quantity. And the same can be done also for from the quotation to the drawing, because I can also create the drawing, an empty drawing, and after I can import the equipment, retrieving them directly from the quotation. In this case, you can use the same button here above. And in order to move the items, the products from the drawing to the quotation, you can use this arrow. Instead, if you want to move the products from the quotation to your drawing, you can use the second button. In this case, it will overwrite all the design item with the selected items retrieving from quote. And you can press OK button to synchronize, of course. Now you can move to specify quote to see and to open the quotation automatically generated from the CAD, in this case with the quote sync button.